Hi, Ellie here. Today we're comparing the 12-inch and 16-inch sized pizza ovens to give a comprehensive overview of each oven. Let's do it. Let's start off with the benefits of a 12-inch pizza oven. Smaller pizza ovens are often easier to move and transport around. Some pizza ovens are lighter than others and are really useful for taking to outdoor events like camping or picnics. And because they're compact and lightweight, it makes them more practical for transporting in a car or motorhome. For example, the Fire 12, which is fueled using wood pellets, is light and easy to carry about. And because it doesn't need logs or a gas tank to carry with it, you're able to travel quite light with just the oven, fire starters and a bag of pellet fuel. With the Coda 12 and Rockbox, you'd need a gas tank to take with you. The Crew 12 or Crew 12G pizza ovens can be used with lump wood and kindling, so they are great portable pizza ovens too for taking out on an adventure. I find these smaller ovens so much easier to carry around my pizza kitchen than the 16-inch pizza ovens. Smaller ovens should typically heat up faster, which means you can start cooking your pizzas sooner. This applies to gas, wood and electric pizza ovens. 12-inch pizza ovens are smaller and more compact, making it ideal for smaller kitchens or outdoor spaces with limited room. This also makes them easier to store too. If you have a small space, you will also need to consider where to store the peripherals, such as gas bottles, logs, kindling, pellets, tables, pizza peels, optional gas burners, etc. All these things take up storage room, so it's not just the oven size you need to consider if you have a limited storage space. If you're looking for an energy-efficient pizza oven, since these ovens are smaller, they generally should use less energy to heat up and to maintain the desired temperature. Some gas pizza ovens have no door, and so heating them up may take longer than an oven with a door. This applies to both 12-inch and 16-inch pizza ovens. Using an electric pizza oven may be more energy efficient, for example, and so all of these different fuel type oven options, as well as the pizza oven size, need to be considered together. The 12-inch pizza ovens tend to be lower in price than the 16-inch pizza ovens and are great for those buying their first pizza oven to commence their pizza cooking journey. Smaller wood-fired pizza ovens tend to be more fuel efficient than 16-inch pizza ovens because they have less interior space to heat and maintain. You would typically use less wood, maybe 20 to 25% less, to achieve and sustain the desired cooking temperature compared to a 16-inch pizza oven. And smaller wood-fired ovens tend to heat up more quickly due to their reduced interior size. This can result in shorter preheating times. There are some limitations to consider with a 12-inch pizza oven. Due to the smaller size, there's less space to cook other dishes besides pizza. However, these 12-inch ovens will easily fit a cast iron pan. Generally, I find these ovens are lower in height than the 16-inch pizza ovens. The limited space means you can only cook smaller pizzas, but that's perfect if you prefer pizzas under 12 inches in size. These ovens cook my favorite size pizza really well, which is 9-inch to 10-inch pizza. Now let's take a look at the benefits of a 16-inch pizza oven. Compared to the 12-inch pizza ovens, these have a larger cooking stone area, and this gives you more space to cook larger and smaller pizza. This can be more practical when cooking pizza for more people or for making a bigger pizza. With the larger size ovens, you will have more cooking space to cook a wider variety of dishes, from multiple smaller pizzas to other types of dishes using wider and deeper cast iron pans. I find that some of these ovens are higher inside than the 12-inch pizza ovens. Bigger pizza ovens will give you more room to maneuver and access the pizzas, which can make cooking easier and more enjoyable. And if you frequently host parties, a 16-inch pizza oven can be a more practical choice for cooking pizza. Let's consider the wood-fired ovens specifically. A larger pizza oven like the 16-inch will generally require more fuel than a smaller one. The exact amount of wood needed depends on several factors, including the type of wood, the oven's insulation, and the outside temperature. However, as a rough estimate, a 16-inch wood-fired oven might require 20 to 25% more wood compared to a 12-inch pizza oven to reach and maintain the same cooking temperature. This is because it has a larger chamber to heat and maintain. Due to its larger size, a 16-inch oven might take slightly longer to heat up initially. Once it's properly heated, cooking times for a 16-inch pizza would be relatively consistent with the cooking times recommended for a 12-inch pizza oven. However, there are some issues to be aware of with a 16-inch pizza oven. Larger pizza ovens tend to be more expensive than smaller ovens, so budget will be a key factor with these. They take up more room, so you'll need a larger kitchen or outdoor area to accommodate them. Again, you will need a bit more storage space for these ovens as they are larger, and also the peripherals that accompany these ovens need to be considered too. Larger ovens may take longer to heat up compared to the smaller ones, and they tend to consume more energy to reach and maintain the desired temperature. Larger pizza ovens tend to be less portable than smaller ones. They are typically heavier and bulkier, making them less suitable for frequent movement. These ovens are often designed for semi-permanent installations in outdoor kitchens or patio areas. Sometimes the weight of these ovens prevent me from using them regularly. There are exceptions though, as some 16-inch gas-fired ovens are lighter than others. My advice would be to check the technical features on the manufacturer's website for the weight and size of the pizza ovens, as they do vary. For wood-fired pizza ovens, the main differences between a 16-inch wood-fired pizza oven and a 12-inch often lie in fuel consumption and portability. The 16-inch ovens require more fuel and may be less portable due to its larger size and weight. The 12-inch oven should be more fuel efficient and more portable, making it a better choice for those who value the ability to move the oven around, while the 16-inch oven may be more preferable for those who love cooking larger pizzas or multiple pizzas at once. So which oven is best for a beginner pizza cook? From my experience of learning to cook in a 12-inch pizza oven, I think I would have benefited from more space to maneuver my pizza away from the flames when needed. Also, I would have benefited from a brighter and slightly higher inside oven space to see the flames cooking the crust. However, when I bought the Ooni 3 pizza oven in 2017, I had a budget to consider, and it was a great entry-level pizza oven for me to start cooking pizza. The 12-inch pizza ovens are ideal if you have limited space, a smaller budget, and are cooking for a small family or want a portable option for outdoor adventures. The 16-inch oven would be a better choice if you intend to cook for larger groups or prefer more versatility with your pizza oven and have a bigger budget. In the end, the choice between a 12-inch and a 16-inch pizza oven will depend on your specific needs and circumstances, how much you want to invest in an oven, the weight, the storage space, and how much you will use it, and most importantly, that it fits your budget with the running costs. Consider factors like your available space, cooking preferences, and the number of people you typically cook for when making your decision, and check the manufacturer's technical specifications to compare their weight and size before you buy. I hope you found this video useful. Please check out my video tips and pizza oven reviews and first cook videos in the link above and below. Experience the cheesy goodness of my pizza themed notebooks and daily planners, uniquely crafted by me. Available on Amazon with a link waiting for you in the video description. Grab yours today. Thanks for watching. Bye.